Hello children, very good morning. Hope all are well. Today's topic food chain. This topic taken from the class 5th. This is a CBSE pattern. This is a very important chapter, food chain. So here we will discuss about food chain. In previous video already discussed about food web. Previous video link I will put up in this video description box. So before we start this topic, please I will request you please subscribe, like and more share and press red button for upcoming videos. So start food chain. How can define food chain? Here we can see here this is a diagram of food chain in grassland. This is a grass, grasshopper, frog, snake and hawk. Snake and hawk. So here grasshopper eat grass, frog eat grasshopper and frog eaten by snake and snake eaten by hawk. Here this is it. Grass eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper eaten by frog, frog eaten by snake and snake eaten by hawk. This is a food chain of grassland in grassland. Here we can see here this is a forest. In forest food chain, here grass food producer eaten as deer and here eaten as food. So we can see here this is a diagram of food chain. Food eaten by deer and deer eaten by lion. So this is a diagram of food chain in forest and grassland. You can easily draw in your notebook. Okay, so here we will discuss about food chain. How can define? We have to know that food prepared by green plant is eaten by herbivores. We already know children the food the plant prepare own food make themselves. Okay, and animals cannot prepare own food. So we have to know that food prepared by green plants is eaten by herbivores, who in turn are eaten by carnivores. The process of transfer of energy, in the form of food through a series of organisms is called food chain. Okay, so we already know plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis and this food eaten by herbivores. Okay, herbivores those animals they eat only plants. So they eaten by herbivores who in turn are eaten by carnivores. Okay, and carnivores eats herbivores. Herbivores eaten by carnivores. The process of transfer of energy. We know that the process of transfer of energy transfer one to another in the form of food. Okay, one person to another person, one organism to another organism in the form of food through a series of organisms is called food chain. The energy present in form of food. These food transfer one organism to another organism. This is called food chain. Here we can see here the grass eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper eaten by frog, frog eaten by snake and snake eaten by hawk. Here you can see here, and this is a forest food chain. Grass eaten by deer and deer eaten by lion. So the process of transfer of energy in the form of food through a series of organisms is called food chain. Okay, and next slide. A food chain is a linear network of links in food web starting from producer organism. Producer means those organisms eats only plants and green grass, etc. So this is called producer organism. A food chain is a linear network of links in food web starting from producer organism and ending form apex predator species, detritivores or decomposer species. Next come organisms that eat the autotrophs. These organisms are called herbivores or primary consumers. Those organisms only eats plants. Plants eat plants or autotrophs. We can say here autotrophs eats only autotrophs. Those organisms eats only autotrophs or plants. These organisms are called herbivores or primary consumers. Okay, an example is a rabbit that eat grass. Okay, is a rabbit that eat grass. The next link in chain in animal that eat herbivores. These are called secondary consumer. An example is snake eat rabbits. So we can see here rabbit eats grass and snake eat rabbit. Okay, so this is energy transformation one organism to another organism in the form of energy. This is called food chain. Food chain is a linear network. Is a network link of the food web starting from producers or plant-eating animals, though which are called producer or herbivores, and eating and apex predator species, decomposer and species. The end of food chain, the ending of food chain from detritivore and decomposer species. Okay, starting from primary or producer organism and ending from decomposer species. So this is a food chain. Next come organisms that eat autotrophs, means those organisms eats only plants on green grass. Autotrophs or plants. These organisms are called herbivores or primary consumer. So food chain is starting from herbivores or primary consumer or producer organisms. And example, take an example is a rabbit that eat grass. That next link the chain is animal that eat herbivores. Okay, the chain is animal that eat herbivores. These are called secondary consumer. So here snake is called secondary consumer because snake eat rabbits. Rabbits eaten by snake and rabbits eats green grass. Okay, so this is a food chain, very simplest way of description, explanation. So you can easily define here and write down in your notebook. This is a diagram of food chain. You can see this is a diagram of food chain. This is a grass, corn eaten by mouse and mouse eaten by owl. This is a carrot, carrot eaten by rabbit, rabbit eaten by fox or lion. This is a grass, grass eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper, frog, grasshopper eaten by frog, and frog eaten by snake, and snake eaten by hawk. So this is a food chain, very clearly show here. You can see this diagram. Okay, and we will revise again. This is a corn, corn eaten by mouse and mouse eaten by owl. And second line we can see here, this is a carrot, carrot eaten by rabbit and rabbit eaten by fox and lion. This is a grass, grass eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper eaten by frog, and frog eaten by snake, and snake eaten by hawk. So this is the explanation of food chain which taken from class 5th. This is a very important topic. You can easily note down this content in your notebook. If any query and any question in your mind, please drop message in this video description box and easily ask any question. So we will finish here this video, and I will request you please subscribe, like and more share and press red button and for upcoming videos and upcoming notification. So learn with this topic and enjoy with this topic, and welcome again Science Fact channel, and be safe, take care, Stay in home. God bless. Think positive. Do positive. Have a nice day.